I frequently use a tool in Google Documents called the survey, and I want to show you how you can create your own survey today. You'll start in your web browser and type in drive.google.com, and you will need a Gmail account to access this, so make sure you signed in. I'm already signed into mine, so I'm going to go over here to create and go down to form. The form is going to create my survey. The first thing that pops up is the template that you can choose from. Now you can choose if you want to follow a theme for your survey, or you can just do a random template that you like. I always like this blue birds, it's cute. Now you can use these surveys to collect data about people's opinions regarding different questions in the classroom, or a short quiz. I've even sent it out to many of my parents, taking surveys about the quality of our school and what kinds of things they would like to see improved on. So there's just so many ways you can use the Google Form survey in education. Today I'm going to use it as a quick quiz for my first grade kids who actually are learning their sight words. So I'm going to call this sight word quiz. And it's pretty self-explanatory from here. You have your question title, help text. I never really put anything in there, in question type. So my first question is going to be, what is the color of an apple? My question type, I'm going to keep it on multiple choice, but you have different options. Text, paragraph text, checkboxes, choose from a list, scale. So really what kind of answers depend on the question types. So multiple choice, I'm going to have a few options they can choose from for what is the color of an apple. Red, but that's like I read a story, not right. Or the color RED, which is their sight word. Or another color they should know, but is that the color of an apple? I'm going to make this a required question and hit done. Now I want it to be more than just one question, so I'm going to go to add item. And this question, I want them to actually fill in some text, type in their own text. So I'm going to choose text. My question title is, name one thing you can do with a phone. Well, they know their sight words, and they know that the thing that you do, the sight word that you would do with a phone, is call. So in the survey, they will type in their answer. I'm going to add one more, and I'm actually wanting it to be more than just one word, so I'm going to choose paragraph text. Spell your 3 favorite sight words. Okay, it's paragraph text, so they have more space so they can write a longer answer. Now I'm going to leave it at that. It's a short quiz, so all I'm going to do now is say send form. And it's going to give me a link to the form, so I'm going to click on it, press Control Copy, and hit done. And I'm also going to create a new spreadsheet where all of the responses will be sent. And it says responses in parentheses. Let me show you what the form will look like when the students or the teachers or the parents have the link. I copy pasted the link into my search, and here is the survey, sight word quiz. What is the color of an apple? RED, sight word. Name one thing you can do with a phone. CALL. Name your 3, or spell your 3 favorite sight words. I like jump, I like little, and I like girl. And then I'm going to hit submit. And that's all. That's really easy. The best part is when you go back to your main Drive page, the drive.google.com, your responses are going to show up right here. So if I clicked that link, here are my responses. It says the timestamp, the response to question 1, 2, and 3. Something you might want to do if it is for a quiz, or if you do want to know who wrote the answers, is to make one of the questions, what is your name? So that you will be able to follow up with their responses. And that is how you create a Google survey. Thank you.